This is a battery level indicator, but not the kind used for lead acid batteries. This one is specifically designed for monitoring the charge level of a 3S lithium-ion battery pack. That means it is made for a 12-volt lithium-ion setup, not for lithium iron phosphate batteries. This is a very cheap battery level indicator for a lithium-ion battery pack. Another thing I noticed is that they have deliberately scratched off the number on the chip. That number would have revealed the exact chip model. This one is an HT7333-1, which is a 3.3 volt regulator chip. You can see the plus and minus markings on the module. This is where the 12 volt battery pack is connected. While the main chip and the circuitry operate at 3.3 volt, it's evident that the circuit uses the 12 volt battery voltage as a reference in some way. This is a push to on switch. When you press the switch, the module activates and displays the battery level using LEDs. After about 5 seconds, the LEDs automatically turn off to save power. The LED indicators shows the battery charge level in steps: 0%, 25%, 50% and 100%, giving a quick visual status of your 3S lithium-ion battery pack. Because of the automatic switch off feature, we can keep this module permanently connected to the battery without worrying about the power drain. In fact, we can even remove the switch and the LEDs from the module itself and mount them on the outer case of the battery pack for a more integrated setup. Now, to test the module in this configuration, I am going to assemble a 3S lithium-ion battery pack. This is a 3S battery pack made by connecting three 18650 lithium-ion cells in series. But it is not limited to just 18650 cells. You can build a battery pack like this using any compatible cell type. Now, when I momentarily press the push to on switch, the battery level indicator lights up. If the battery voltage is above 11.5 volt, the indicator shows full charge. As you can see, the indicator is currently showing a full charge for this battery pack. You can even see after 5 seconds the LEDs are automatically switching off. The rightmost red LED lights up when the battery level is too low. The next LED indicates 25% charge, the third LED shows 50% charge, and the leftmost LED indicates a full charge, that is 100%. This helps in easily understanding the battery status at a glance. Now, using a multimeter, I will show you the voltage of this battery pack. While doing this, it is very important to be careful, especially since the terminals are very close to each other. The chances of a short circuit is very high. You can see the battery voltage is showing 12.03, which can be considered as a full charge. The nominal voltage of a 3S lithium-ion battery pack is 11.1 volt and the excited voltage is 12.6 volt. So whatever is above 12 volt or 11.5 volt can be considered as a full charge. Now I will replace one of the battery in the battery pack with this one. I will measure the voltage of this battery. It is showing only 1.2 volt, which is very low. Since the other batteries are 12 volt, we can consider each cell with 4 volt. So a total of 4 volt plus 4 volt plus, and this battery which is 1.2 volt. That's a total of 9 volt. I am sure that the battery level indicator will not light up because 9 volt is too low. I have now replaced the battery with a lower voltage one. Let us press the switch and check if it shows any indication. As expected, there is no response. None of the LEDs are lighting up, likely because the voltage is too low, around 9 voltage. To confirm that, I will measure the battery voltage using a multimeter. While measuring, be careful. Comparing with 12 volt, 9 volt is too low, but it has enough power for a short circuit. It is showing 9.19 voltage, which is very low. I believe that this video is very much helpful to you. If yes, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.